8, 9, 10. The number 10 is everywhere, even in my toolbox. Toolbox are so many tools. Come with me and count them. It's really cool. When you take the tools out, there's only one rule. You have to put them back so we're ready to build. 1 tape measure, 2 yellow hammers, 3 saws, 4 chisels, 5 screwdrivers, 6 paintbrushes, 7 silver shifters, 8 bolts, 9 drivers, 10 old nails. So let's get building. To do. Let's start with some cutting. It's really cool. Take out your hammer and your paintbrush too. Measure, measure, dig, dig, paint and middle. 1 tape measure, 2 yellow hammers, 3 saws, 4 chisels, 5 screwdrivers, 6 paintbrushes, 7 silver shifters, 8 bolts, 9 screws, 10 old nails. 8 bolts, 9 screws, 10 old nails. So we've been busy building all day. This job's done, now I'm on my way. Do you remember there's only one rule? You have to put the tools back so we're ready to build. 1 tape measure, 2 yellow hammers, 3 saws, 4 chisels, 5 screwdrivers, 6 paintbrushes, 7 silver shifters,